In this video, we are going to be analysing AMLX. So to get straight into it, what are going to be key resistance levels if we start pushing back to the upside? And as of right now, our closest resistance is at $32.50, which we can see if we go to the intraday chart, this has been a heavy resistance that we keep coming into and failing. So really, if we can push back to this level and break above it, this will then turn into a key support level. And if we can hold that level, then we can expect a push to our next resistance, which would take us to around $39. And if we are able to push through there and continue up one last time, we would have a final level around $45.50. Now, coming up to these levels, especially maybe even the 39 and 45, are going to be quite far off. So if you expect a push to these moves, these would be the levels. But really what we would be looking for is some strong support on the break of these resistances. So the 32.50 we need to break above, come back to retest, and as long as buying pressure comes in, then we can expect a push to the $39. But if you're looking for the retest of this support, on a stock like this, you probably want to be using at least a 5-minute chart to make sure it can hold up on the longer term time frame, because on a 1 minute, it's usually not strong enough data when the deviations are this far apart. Now, if we continue to sell off on AMLX, where are we looking at? So our closest support level is $26. And as of right now, it looks like we are continuing this pullback. Again, it was very strong as it gapped, but it has just got weaker as the day has gone on. So seeing a pullback to this 26 wouldn't be all that unlikely, and that would also take us back into kind of this support / resistance area created before. Now, if we're able to break that $26, then we would be having a next support around $19.50, and a final support would take us to around $18, which would be the gap fill created yesterday. So these are going to be the key support levels, but what we can see on AMLX is that both the 4-hour and the daily time standard deviation levels line up. So this does mean each of these levels will be very strong, so it will make it easier to trade if you're looking to trade off of these levels. If you want other levels, obviously you can just use these psychological levels. For example, going down to the support, you'd have the $27.50, $25, $22.50, and the $20. And the same thing to the resistance side, $35, $37.50, $40, $42.50, $45. And if we are to break that at an extreme, then obviously $50 would be another key resistance level. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis on Pixie.